Have you ever wondered what's the real point of mindfulness if it just means following your breath and noticing distraction? Well, this is an example of where mindfulness has been commercialized and simplified to a point where it's losing a lot of its usefulness. Yes, following the breath and noticing distractions will increase our ability to focus, and in a world of, I'm not going to go into it, but you can kind of get, focus is useful, but there is something else, something more profound, something deeper, something as to why people like, or organizations like the NHS have funded research into mindfulness because of its incredible power in supporting people through suffering and challenge of mental health. And that is, we follow the breath. And yes, we come back when we're distracted, but we also pay attention to what happens when we're distracted. How do we relate to that distraction? Because actually, that distraction, you can see it as a very, very, very small, difficult challenge. And so what we're doing then, because we also practice compassion when we notice we're distracted, is we are practicing a new way to relate to challenges in our lives. And that changes lives. Like anything in life, if you simplify it too much, it kind of loses part of its meaning. And mindfulness is no different. So it's not just about following the breath. Yes, that is some of it, but definitely not all of it. There is much, much more nuance. And if you want to understand more about that nuance and deepen your own mindfulness practice, or even just start, then please follow me. I have spent 15 years practicing mindfulness, deepening my own practice, and 7 years, or maybe actually 8 years, training mindfulness teachers in mindfulness-based cognitive therapy, which is probably definitely one of the most scientifically validated and backed forms of mindfulness training that exists. I'll see you soon.